Hello YouTube, my name is Smitty. I have lived in my truck, I have lived in a van, I have lived in a house, I have lived in an apartment, and I absolutely love living in my truck. There's nothing like it. You get to experience travel, you get to experience life. It's just an amazing experience. This video is about Tailgate Assist. Have you ever had your tailgate slam when you open it? If you're like me, you don't like that. Hence the Tailgate Assist. All right, so this is what we're working with when we're doing the Tailgate Assist. You see how it slowly drops the tailgate? This is for a Ford F-150. The part number is DZ3204. I got this off Amazon. It was right around 30 bucks at the time of this video. What you'll need is a socket wrench, a 10mm socket, the star driver that comes in the box. These are the parts that came in the box, which is the lower bracket, which fits in this little hole right there. See that little ball right there? It goes on this. And then here's the top bracket where this little ball goes in that little fitting right there. Yeah, it takes about 5, maybe 10 minutes if you take your time. It's not difficult at all, and we'll get to it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is look. This is the side of the tailgate right here. Tailgate's laying flat. We're on the driver's side. You're gonna look for this bracket right here, or these 2 bolts right here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your 10mm. You're gonna take your 10mm with your socket wrench. You're gonna take out this one, this very top one closest to the cab. Take it all the way out. The bottom one, closest to the rear of the truck, you're only going to loosen it. Don't take it all the way out, then your tailgate will fall. Now take it out just about right there where you can actually see some daylight. All right, so now you're going to take this bracket right here, just in that orientation, just like that. And it's going to go over and then right into that slot. And then you're going to take this bolt right here and put it right back into the original location. I would recommend tightening this top one first. And then once you got that nice and tight, go back and do the bottom one. And snug it up. You ain't got to go gorilla on it, just nice and tight. Nice and snug. All right, now we're gonna do the very top. Remember that star key I told you about earlier? This is a star key. You see why it's called a star key? You see that? So it's like an L, and then there's a star key on the bottom as well. What we're gonna do with this star driver right here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna loosen that and take it all the way out. All the way out. I'm sorry, we're starting to lose lights. It's like 7:30, 8 o'clock right now. All right, so the other bracket that I showed you earlier, it's just a hole in the bottom and then that nipple in the top. You're gonna take the bolt you just took out and orient it just like this. So the hole is gonna go over the hole you just took that star driver out, and then you got that little nipple right down here. You're gonna put the same assembly right back into it. It's very simple. Do not overcomplicate it. You can just let it hang there and then tighten it while it's hanging. See that new bracket right back here? And just like the bottom, don't over tighten it, especially because this star driver they gave you is kind of weak. You tighten it too, you'll start to strip these little ridges of the star. The next thing you'll do, get your shock. This is from Dee Zee. All right, so here's your shock. This is the next step. This is what goes in and out of the shock, which makes it softer. This one goes on the top, and then this one that goes up and down goes on the bottom, right down here. So you're gonna put the bottom on first, which all you do is you'll take, you see how it's a circle and there's a little bracket inside of that circle? Yeah, that bracket goes around that little nipple. All you do is push it on. See, hear how it popped on? That means it's on. And you'll orient it, you'll pull it out just a little bit so you can reach this other one, and you'll, just like that, and you're done. All right, so which one do you prefer? The very first one or this one? Look how smooth that was. All from that one little shock over there. I'm gonna do it one more time. Butter, it's smooth. What I installed yesterday is this nice bed rug. Look how nice that thing is. It comes at a price. It was $450. So yeah, it's, if you don't have that kind of money, do not waste that kind of money. I have lived in a truck before and I made my own. Literally all I did is I went to Lowe's and I bought, you know, that it's that styrofoam installation. I bought it in a 4x8 and I measured out the cab of the truck, and then I cut out around the wheel wells, like the wheel wells right here. I cut around the wheel wells, dropped it in, bought some carpet from Lowe's and glued it in. It was very simple. It cost me probably about 50 bucks. That wraps it up for this. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike my video, give it a thumbs down. If you have any questions, message me, leave a comment, subscribe. Oh, hey, what's going on, everyone? Look at the clouds. Look how beautiful the clouds are. Look at that. It's like picture perfect. And then look at this. Look at the scenery right here. I'm at a church. I'm at a church right now. It's amazing. It's a sign. I don't even know what you call that. Oh, wow, look how amazing that is. Let me get out the picture. There's me. There's me. Look at that shot. Look at that beautiful shot right there. Sign. I think I just got a thumbnail. Was that a thumbnail worthy? I think that was thumbnail worthy. Bye.